Really do, because then you put other people in harm's way as well if you decide to stay. And so many people recognize that they're going to have to continue with these evacuations because of the fact that it's still raining, the flooding is still an issue, and so those are the problems that we're experiencing and are going to continue to experience over the next couple of days. The system is finally moving more quickly, and that is good news. So it is actually moving more quickly to the north at around 15 miles per hour now. But here at home, we have been very quiet. We have had some drier air coming in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and that has really helped to keep down our rain chances. So we have not seen the amount of rainfall that certainly other parts of the country have been getting, and certainly what we have experienced in the last couple of weeks. So this is what our rainfall totals look like today. Over the past 24-hour period, you can see nothing, I mean literally nothing has taken place around our viewing area. So we have been very quiet. If you've gotten any rain at all, you just had to maybe bat it away with your hand. You don't even need a windshield wiper. And what we are getting are some of the showers that are developing at this point are over the central part of the state. They're moving on up towards the north, some isolated thunderstorms here. But this rain so far has really been very much spread away from our viewing area, just on the periphery, as you can see, and nothing taking place at this hour for us. So temperatures as a result stay on the warm side, and readings have been mostly in the 90s. Across our viewing area, temperatures today only got up to about 89 degrees for the daytime high. So temperatures right now are hugging right around that 89-degree mark for many locations across the region. And as you can see on a point-by-point basis, we have mostly 86 degrees along the beaches, but then as you move inland, those temperatures are slightly warmer, and this is being reflected down the coast as well. Our current heat value, our current heat index, is showing us that it feels a whole lot warmer than it actually is, with temperatures in the upper 90s. Feels like temperatures. So it's hot out there still, even though we only had a high today of 89 degrees, but that's normal for this time of the year. Our overnight low, because of the lack of rain, was 82, and we're going to see that repeated again tonight. So here's Florence. This is Florence now moving to the north at 14 miles per hour. That's the best news they've had, because once we can get this system out of the way, it will certainly be a benefit to everybody. It will be moving across the Appalachians. They're expecting 5 to 6 inches more rain to come on in. In the meantime, they're still getting showers developing and coming on in from the Atlantic. The bands are a little bit more widespread. That's good. And we're going to, as soon as this system starts to move north, most of this rain will begin to ease up as well. So that's good news. Additionally, now what we have are some changes that are going on, and you can see we've had post-tropical Helene, tropical depression Joyce. This has now become just an area of disturbed weather, what was Isaac, and now there's about a 20% chance that it could develop over the next couple of days. So it's still something to watch, but we're going to be watching it as it moves towards the northwest, and right now, again, it's just an area of disturbed weather. In the meantime, if you're heading off to the beach tomorrow, we're going to start to see some shifts in the wind. Beginning in the morning, it'll be out of the southeast, in the afternoon out of the west at 5 knots, and then it will be hot once again, because we're only going to be seeing some isolated thunderstorms in the forecast. This is what it looks like. We're going to be getting a 20% chance of rain for Monday, and then we up those chances on Tuesday. The winds are going to shift back around out of the east, and that means that we're going to be getting those afternoon and evening thunderstorms, and that will be with us for the next couple of days until the wind shifts back again to the southwest. Erica?